Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete a chat list in WhatsApp application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, you need to go to WhatsApp. So once you open the application, you need to just scroll down a bit and you will find these chat lists. So if you have created a chat list and now you want to remove it, how you're going to do it? So I created this family chat list and now I want to remove it or delete it. So how I'm going to do it? You need to just tap and hold and this menu will appear where you will find delete. So all you need to do is to tap on delete, and from here your chats with people and groups won't be deleted. It will only delete the chat list, not the chat inside. Every individual chat that you did, it will not be deleted. So if I tap on delete, and as you can see now, the chat list has been deleted. So guys, this is all it takes to delete a chat list in WhatsApp application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.